Here's how it looks. Crusty, 200,000 miles. Try this out. I mean, I haven't even wiped it down yet, but that just made it look clean. I'm just shocked already how clean that made it look. It's incredible. Like, it's not perfect, but I spent maybe 10 minutes on this. I didn't get like way down in there, just the intake runners, and just used a rag. And this thing has 203,000 miles on it. Yeah, the hose clamps are a little crusty, but they looked rusty before. There's all kinds of oil over that, in between right there, in between the intake runners. And it's just like, I have to get more of this stuff. Took it all off the hoses. It just really cleaned everything up. I definitely recommend to buy this stuff. It's incredible.